1. 1976 Pontiac Firebird Formula Pro Street. Price, $22,000, located Staten Island, New York. This 1976 Pontiac Firebird Formula Pro Street is a purpose-built muscle machine designed for serious performance while maintaining the unmistakable styling of the second-generation Firebird. Presented in good used condition, this vehicle features an aggressive Pro Street setup that makes it stand out at any cruise night, drag strip, or automotive event. The car has been professionally modified with large tubbed rear-wheel wells housing massive 33 by 22 by 15 Mickey Thompson tires for maximum traction and an intimidating stance. Power comes from a 455 cubic inch Pontiac engine bored 60 over and equipped with Edelbrock cylinder heads. The drivetrain has low mileage since completion, offering confidence for future use. Additional performance upgrades include an 8-point roll bar, for link rear suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, quality tin work throughout, and a 10-gallon fuel cell. The seller notes that the vehicle is available complete for the listed price, while a roller package without engine and transmission is also an option. This Firebird represents a strong opportunity for enthusiasts seeking classic Pontiac performance and proven Pro Street engineering. 2. 1988 Dodge Dakota Pro Street Modified. Price, $27,500, located Clarkston, Michigan. This 1988 Dodge Dakota Pro Street Modified pickup is a serious street racing build designed for high horsepower performance and reliability. The truck has only a few thousand miles on the drivetrain and presents in excellent condition with a clean title and no significant issues reported. Finished in yellow exterior with a gray interior, it combines aggressive styling with a purpose-built mechanical setup intended for both street and strip use. Power is delivered through a built 462 cubic inch Chrysler R3 small block engine featuring Brodix cylinder heads, a Callis crankshaft with 4.25 inch stroke, and a Powerglide automatic transmission. The rear end uses a Ford 9-inch setup paired with a 4-link suspension and custom tubular front control arms for improved handling and traction. The vehicle also includes a full racing package with street-legal capability, making it both practical and extremely fast. Additional components include dual rear-end center sections, multiple tire and wheel sets for street and racing use, and a well-engineered chassis designed for durability under heavy power. This Dodge Dakota represents a rare opportunity to own a fully built Pro Street pickup with serious drag racing potential and everyday drivability characteristics. 3. 1965 Oldsmobile F85 442 Clone Pro Street. Price, $38,000, located Little Egg Harbor Township, New Jersey. This 1965 Oldsmobile F85 has been fully restored and transformed into a 442 clone with a strong focus on street and strip performance. The vehicle is reported to be in like new used condition and features extensive high-end mechanical upgrades that make it a serious competition-ready machine. The body has been refinished in factory Calypso green, giving it a classic muscle car appearance with modern performance underneath. Under the hood sits a Joe Mondello-built 515 cubic inch big block Oldsmobile engine running naturally aspirated. Power is transferred through a turbo 400 transmission equipped with a trans brake, connected to a 12-bolt rear end with 4-link suspension and QA1 adjustable shocks all around. The interior has been fully redone and includes an 8.8.50 certified roll cage for safety during high-speed runs. This Oldsmobile has achieved low 10-second quarter-mile times with ease, proving its performance capability. With significant investment reported well over $100,000, it is now offered at a fraction of build cost. It represents a rare opportunity for serious muscle car enthusiasts seeking proven drag performance and classic Oldsmobile heritage. 4. 1931 Ford Model A Street Rod. Price, $41,500, located Tabernacle Township, New Jersey. This 1931 Ford Model A Street Rod is a beautifully built all-steel hot rod designed for show-quality presentation and reliable driving performance. It has been driven only around 1,200 miles since completion and is described as a turnkey vehicle that is ready to enjoy immediately. The exterior features a deep burgundy finish paired with a gray interior, giving it a refined yet classic hot rod appearance. Power comes from a rebuilt small block Chevrolet 350 engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission. The car sits on a TCI complete rolling chassis with an 8-inch Ford rear end and 3.0 gears for smooth cruising. The build includes a 2-inch chopped roof, rack and pinion steering, power windows, tilt steering column, and modern cooling system with electric fan and walker radiator. Additional highlights include Craig RSS wheels, Hankook tires, aluminum fuel cell, full custom interior, and upgraded wiring harness. The vehicle also features a steel body, steel floor, and quality suspension components throughout. This Model A represents a well-balanced street rod combining traditional styling with modern drivability and comfort. 5. 1997 Dodge Avenger Pro Mod Drag Car. Price, $52,000, located Knoxville, Virginia. This 1997 Dodge Avenger is a highly modified Pro Mod style drag car built for extreme horsepower and competitive racing performance. It is reported in like new used condition and features a fully built all-aluminum racing engine producing approximately 1398 horsepower on motor alone with additional nitrous oxide systems for maximum output. The vehicle is designed strictly for racing and is not a standard street car. Power is delivered through a Rogers Automotive Powerglide transmission paired with a Mark Williams 9-inch rear end designed to handle extreme torque loads. The chassis and setup are engineered for high-level drag racing applications, making it suitable for professional or advanced amateur competition. The seller notes that the vehicle may be parted out, although the engine must be sold first if that option is chosen. This Avenger represents a rare and serious drag racing platform with top-tier components and proven high horsepower capability. It is ideal for racers seeking a competitive edge in sanctioned events or specialized racing environments where maximum performance is required. 6. 1996 Chevrolet Beretta Z26 Drag Car. Price, $60,000, located Appomattox, Virginia. This 1996 Chevrolet Beretta Z26 has been extensively rebuilt into a professional-level drag racing machine constructed by Jerry Bickle Race Cars. It is presented in use-like new condition and features a full chromoly round tube chassis with a 25.1E certified roll cage, making it a highly competitive and safe race platform. The vehicle has been designed for serious quarter-mile performance and weighs approximately 2,150 pounds without the driver. Power is provided by a 632 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine with high compression and profiler cylinder heads, producing exceptional horsepower output. The engine setup has been run approximately 40 to 50 passes since build. Fuel delivery is handled by an AED system running on VP23 racing fuel. The drivetrain includes a Powerglide transmission with reed case and trans brake, paired with a Fab 9 rear end and 4.56 gears for maximum acceleration. Additional features include racepack digital gauges with full data logging, professionally tuned engine calibration, and a best recorded performance in the mid-4-second range. This Beretta represents a top-level drag racing build suitable for serious competition and professional track use. 7. 1972 Chevrolet Nova Pro Street Drag Car. Price, $28,000, located Croydon, Pennsylvania. This 1972 Chevrolet Nova is a back half-ladder bar Pro Street drag car built for strong straight-line performance and consistent track results. The vehicle is presented in used condition with extensive racing modifications and a focus on reliability under competition use. It features a black exterior and a fully race-oriented setup designed for both top bulb and bottom bulb racing formats. Power comes from a 468 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine running on methanol fuel, paired with an aftermarket glide transmission and a high stall torque converter set at approximately 6,200 revolutions per minute. The rear end is a Ford 9-inch unit equipped with 4.56 gears and a spool for maximum traction. Four-wheel Willwood disc brakes provide strong stopping power, while the chassis includes ladder bar suspension and upgraded racing wiring systems. Additional equipment includes K&R delay box, MSD7AL ignition system, crank trigger, electric shifter, and full race fuel and trans line upgrades completed in 2023. The car has consistent low elapsed time performance and remains a competitive drag racing platform. It is offered for sale due to the owner having multiple vehicles and limited use. 8. 1992 Ford Probe Top Sportsman Pro Mod Race Car. Price, $35,000, located Tyner, North Carolina. This 1992 Ford Probe has been extensively converted into a Top Sportsman Pro Mod style race car built for serious drag racing performance. It is presented in used good condition and is offered as a turnkey package with optional enclosed trailer availability. The vehicle is constructed using a Jerry-Bickel chromoly round tube chassis combined with fiberglass body components and a fully aluminum interior, making it extremely lightweight at approximately 2,400 pounds. Power comes from a 701 cubic inch all-aluminum big block Ford engine built by H&F Performance, producing around 1,300 horsepower on motor. The setup includes dual fogger nitrous systems for additional power delivery on demand. The drivetrain features a Ford 9-inch rear end with 40-spline axles, engineered to handle extreme torque output. The car consistently runs 4.80 seconds on motor and can reach 4.30 seconds using nitrous assist, demonstrating competitive Pro Mod capability. Additional features include full race suspension, enclosed trailer option, and professional level build quality throughout. The seller is motivated and willing to provide more technical details upon request. This Ford Probe represents a serious opportunity for racers seeking a proven high-horsepower competition platform. 9. 1964 Chevrolet Chevelle SS Pro Street Drag Car. Price, $32,000, located Milton, Pennsylvania. This 1964 Chevrolet Chevelle SS has been fully converted into a Pro Street race car with a stripped interior and performance-focused configuration. The vehicle is presented in used condition and is designed for high-horsepower straight-line performance rather than daily driving. It features an orange exterior and a fully race-prepared interior setup with aluminum components. Power is delivered through a 565 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine running on injected alcohol fuel, producing an estimated 900 to 1,000 horsepower. The transmission is a 2-speed race unit paired with a 5,500 stall torque converter for strong launch capability. The rear end is a Ford 9-inch setup with 4.30 gears designed for drag strip performance. The car includes full racing suspension components, lightweight interior construction, and drag-optimized drivetrain configuration. It is intended for experienced racers or enthusiasts seeking a competitive Pro Street build with proven horsepower capability. The seller emphasizes serious inquiries only and notes the vehicle is race-ready. 10. 1967 Ford Mustang GT Tube Chassis Race Car. Price, $38,500, located Uniontown, Ohio. This 1967 Ford Mustang GT is a professionally built tube chassis race car designed for high-level drag racing competition. It is presented in use-like new condition and features a steel body combined with fiberglass doors and fenders to reduce weight. The chassis is a chrome moly 6.0 Sportsman certified setup, built for safety and performance at high speeds. Power is provided by a 540 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine equipped with Jezel rocker arms, Sonny Leonard dart heads, Moroso dry sump system, and recently refreshed internal components including new bearings, rings, rods, cam, and lifters. The drivetrain uses a G-Force 5-speed clutchless transmission, delivering power efficiently to the rear wheels. Additional features include Koni coilovers, slick tires with minimal passes, and a total weight of approximately 2,650 pounds with driver. The car has achieved elapsed times of around 8.40 seconds in the quarter mile, demonstrating strong competitive capability. It is sold complete and ready for racing use without additional preparation. 11. 1972 Plymouth Duster Pro Street Drag Car. Price, $45,000, located Eagle, Michigan. This 1972 Plymouth Duster Pro Street Drag Car is a high-performance build designed for aggressive straight-line racing. It is presented in very good used condition and features a black exterior with a fully reinforced suspension setup. The car is engineered for maximum traction and power delivery, making it suitable for serious drag strip competition. Under the hood is a 592 cubic inch big block engine equipped with B1 heads and intake system, paired with a 1150 Dominator carburetor and direct port nitrous injection for added horsepower. The transmission includes a trans brake and high stall converter set at approximately 5,500 revolutions per minute. The rear end is a Ford 9-inch unit with 4.56 gears and a ladder bar suspension system with coilovers on all four corners. Additional performance features include strange engineering disc brakes, racing fuel system, and upgraded chassis components designed for durability under high-stress conditions. The vehicle sits on new Hoosier tires for both front and rear applications. This Duster represents a strong combination of classic Mopar styling and modern pro street racing capability. 12. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Pro Street Drag Car. Price, $13,500, located Paulsboro, New Jersey. This 1968 Chevrolet Camaro has been converted into a Pro Street drag car with extensive racing modifications. It is presented in used condition and is designed for straight-line performance rather than daily driving. The vehicle features a red exterior with a lightweight race-oriented configuration including steel roof, quarters, and doors combined with fiberglass front components for weight reduction. Power is managed through a PowerGlide transmission paired with a delay box system and MSD7 ignition for precise racing control. Fuel delivery is handled by an Aeromotive fuel pump system designed for consistent high-performance operation. The rear suspension utilizes a ladder bar setup paired with a Dana rear end for strong traction during launches. Additional details include a professional race build completed by King's Race Cars, along with upgraded wiring and fuel systems. The car is intended for drag racing enthusiasts seeking an affordable entry into Pro Street competition with proven mechanical components and solid structural preparation.